Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how I do my everyday makeup. It's easy and simple. You can do it in under 10 minutes. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Starting with my clean and moisturized face, I will apply this powder on my face. This is from Well Skin. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, this is perfect to use. It can also act as a concealer, so it's everything in one. Next will be the eyes. Starting with the base, I will apply the lightest shade, then I will blend it using my fingers. I will also put a dark brown shade to add a bit of color. Moving on with brows, I follow the natural shape of my brow and I continue to brush my eyebrow just to make it a little bit more natural. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline mascara. I put it on at the top and also on my bottom lashes. For my nose line, I'm using this dark brown shade from the BTL Contour Palette. So for lips, I'm using Flora Verde Lip Balm all over my lips, and then I'm going to be topping that off with Flormar lipstick. I absolutely love this color. It's perfect for everyday use. I'm also using it as a blush to have a more natural look. And that's my makeup look complete. Like I said, it's quite simple and very easy to do. It's really great if you're in a hurry and you want to look a bit more stylish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!